Hi everybody, I'm Clyde Bryant.
I'm Roger Grubb from Main Street Mortgages.
So we have a new blog topic coming out this month called Refinance to Renovate.
It's all about how to go about getting the biggest bang for your renovation buck. So here are our top 5. All right, so number 1, you get the biggest bang for your buck by renovating your kitchen and bathroom. So according to the Appraisal Institute of Canada, you'll essentially get a 75 to 100% payback on a dollar for dollar basis for any money that you put into renovating your kitchen and bathroom.
And number 2, a fresh coat of paint goes a long way. But when choosing your paint colors, remember, if you're actually planning on selling that home, you might want to stick to neutral colors, versus if you're renovating that property for long term and you'll be staying in that home, then you can definitely personalize.
It could also be something as simple as updating your decor, changing a chair, a sofa, or draperies. It doesn't necessarily have to be expensive, but new, modern, fresh.
Last but certainly not least, decluttering goes a very long way. Now, you can hire a pro to help you declutter, or you can binge watch Marie Kondo and get some great ideas.
That's what I like to do.
Good luck. So that's it from us.
So remember, if you're thinking about refinancing to renovate, we work with quite a few lenders who offer great refinancing solutions to help you get the funds that you need at the pricing that's right for you.